Welcome to Casta Diva in Marlborough, Massachusetts. Located on the 35 Solomon Pond, which is a famous historical pond, Casta Diva means divine goddess. My name is Aurelio and I'm the chef owner of Casta Diva. What makes Casta Diva unique and different is the water. No matter the season, you can dine at Casta Diva and get one with nature. Whether you're outside or inside, you can still capture the sunset and the gorgeous views along with your dining experience. As you dine outside on the patio, you will feel in a different world. We strive for everyone that enters our doors to feel and become like a family member and enjoy the dining experience over and over again. We can offer a variety of foods, from grilled oysters to baked bries to flatbreads, which are made to order. Your dining experience will be even greater with our seasonal cocktail drinks, wine list, and craft beer. Don't forget, we have beautiful desserts after you're done with your meal. Casta Diva has the ability to host any type of events, from 10 to over 100 people, from corporate to family gatherings, birthday parties. The moment you sit down with me and see the space, you'll be sold, I guarantee. Thanks very much. See everybody soon.